Get ready because the latest purge in the smartphone realm is all about the upcoming iPhone 16 series. With each passing year, Apple never fails to amaze, and 2024 is shaping up to be no different. Buckle up as we delve into the exciting features and enhancement rumored to grace the iPhone 16 lineup. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the iPhone 16 series lies in its camera capabilities. Building upon the success of its predecessors, last year's introduction of the periscope telephoto lens was just the beginning. This year, the focus shifts to enhancing the main camera image quality, promising users an unparalleled photography experience. Rumors has it that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will boost a customized Sony IMX 903 main camera sensor, sporting a sizable 1 by 1.14-inch super large button. This leap in sensor size signifies a significant step forward in capturing stunning detail and clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. But Apple doesn't stop there. For the first time in the Pro series, the incorporation of double-layer transistor technology promises to elevate the light-sensitive ability of the camera sensor. This innovation translates to crisper, more vibrant images, setting a new standard for smartphone photography. In the quest for optical perfection, Apple is rumored to introduce the use of 1 mg plus 7p molded glass plastic modules in the iPhone 16 Pro series. This cutting-edge technology aims to enhance the optical performance of the lens, ensuring every shot is a masterpiece. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 series is rumored to receive a significant upgrade in processing power, with talks of a transition to the TSMC N3E process and the introduction of the A18 series chip. Users can expect a seamless and lightning fast user experience, whether gaming, multitasking, or editing high resolution content. The iPhone 16 Pro series is poised to handle it all with ease. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.